Welcome to the Emporia State University Database Retrieval tutorial. This video guide is meant to help patrons quickly access on-demand articles of interest whether they are on campus or at home. The objectives of this tutorial are to learn how to locate subject-specific databases from the Emporia State Library web pages, and to learn how to limit search terms in a database, and to learn how to retrieve an article online. Our first step is to visit the ESU Library webpage, which can be found by following this link, which will take you directly to the library webpage. Or you can visit the Emporia State University homepage at www.emporia.edu and scrolling to the bottom of the page to find the Libraries and Archive link located by the footer. Once you have located the library webpage, our next step is to locate the Database tab, which is located just above the search bar. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a page with A to Z listings of all of ESU's databases. The third step is to find databases by subject. In the top left-hand corner, there is a drop-down box labeled All Subjects, which is a list of possible subject categories. This will help you to narrow down your database choices to what you need. For our purposes, we will take a look at the Library and Information Science databases by selecting that option from the drop-down list. Following these links should take you to a screen listing of all of the databases relative to your subject category. As you can see, the Library and Information Science category has databases covering several subjects and covering multiple time frames. We will be searching in the listed database by following the link. The fourth step is to search the database. This is the EBSCOhost database homepage. There is a search bar at the top of the screen, as well as search options that can limit your search to exactly what you need. Let's set up an example. In this example, we are searching for information on advocacy in school libraries within the last 5 years for a research paper. We will initiate the search, limit the terms, and submit our query. First, we need to input our search terms into the search box. Second, we will limit our search options by selecting the peer review box. Sources that are peer-reviewed are more credible and therefore better for usage in a research paper. Third, we will limit our search further by inputting date range we will like to search for. And finally, we will start a search by clicking the search button either by the search bar at the top of the screen or by the search bar at the end of the search options section. This generates a list of 80 resources. This list contains every type of article the library has access to. This includes items that the library owns, items that can be interlibrary loaned, PDFs of the articles, links to the full text, or HTML files of the articles. Which leads us to our final step in learning to retrieve an article online by limiting our search to online resources. Going back to the list we just generated, we can select the link to full text option in the refined results section to the left-hand side of the screen. This will generate a list of 44 resources that are all articles that can be retrieved online. By clicking on the PDF link, you will open up an article you can read online. In conclusion, you can locate subject-specific databases from the Emporia State Library web pages. You can limit your search terms by peer-reviewed articles and dates through the search options on the home page or on the refined results in the side panel once you have submitted your search terms. You can retrieve an article online by limiting your search terms by selecting the link to full text option and selecting the links to full text from the generated list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on database retrieval.